Let's see how to remove your Google account from your web browser. First open your web browser, then sign in to your Google account. Then you can see there is a profile icon on the top right corner. Don't click there. You can see on the top of that another small profile icon. Click there. Then go down. You can see on the beside of other profiles there is a setting icon. Click setting icon. Then you can see all of your Google account logged into your web browser. If you want to remove one of your account, just click on the triple dot button on that account. Then click delete. Then delete again. It will remove your Google account from that web browser. That's all.